Since the beginning of time, man has exhibited an innate need to stack. So ingrained is this propensity that even from earliest childhood, we train our offspring in the finer points of stacking. And this skill carries over to almost every aspect of our lives. We stack plates, files, bricks, boxes, wood, newspaper, cars, even our homes. In order to house and manage our stacks, we've created great meccas of stacking, most commonly called a warehouse. In these industrial temples dedicated to stacking, objects are stacked and restacked in an endless variety of combinations and layers. The most reliable and flexible stacking tool has been the human machine. Its ability to pivot, bend, grasp, lift, and manipulate physical objects lends itself to stacking. But it has limitations. Subject to strain at stress points, the human machine develops problems here, here, and here. And its stacking life in industrial applications is limited. Now, stacking technology takes a giant leap forward with the introduction of the Cascade Layer Picker. This versatile forklift attachment allows one operator, supported by one or two stalkers, to create customized mixed-load pallets of single or multiple layers, faster, safer, and more efficiently than ever before. Designed with incredible flexibility, the Cascade Layer Picker mimics the motion of the human machine. The sliding arm clamp, with its 4 cushion pads, provides the pressure needed to securely and safely grasp and lift the product without damage, whether you ask it to lift 1 layer or 7. Like the human machine, the Cascade Layer Picker can do the twist, moving layers from side to side. The telescopic boom on the Cascade Layer Picker extends the reach for more accurate positioning and faster alignment. If you're looking for greater productivity, improved safety on the job, and more flexibility, the Cascade Layer Picker really stacks up. Welcome to the Cascade Layer Picker Challenge, the ultimate test of endurance and strength. On the left are Bob and Jim. Between them, there are 18 years of mixed pallet stacking experience. On the right is Jerry driving the Cascade Layer Picker. And they're off! Both teams are loading a 7-layer mixed pallet made up of 7 different product SKUs. They're racing against the clock to determine once and for all if traditional stacking methods can withstand the Cascade Layer Picker's challenge. Uh-oh, it looks like Bob and Jim are falling behind. Oh, and a dropped case. Let's go to the instant replay. What a mess! And a waste of product, too. No problem so far for Jerry and the Layer Picker. They are clearly pulling ahead. It looks like Bob and Jim are struggling. Is Bob injured? He's got his hand on his back. Looks like he pulled a muscle. That will be a big advantage for the Cascade Layer Picker. Notice how cool Jerry looks. He's got the Cascade Layer Picker in a steady rhythm. Makes it look easy. On the other hand, look at the sweat pouring off Bob and Jim. Looks like they've given up. The Cascade Layer Picker is the clear winner today. Not only did it beat Bob and Jim on our challenge, it looks as if it could keep on going all day long. The numbers are pretty fantastic. The average for manual picking is 240 cases per hour. With the Cascade Layer Picker, the average is 1,250 cases per hour. Wow, that's 5.2 times more productivity. With mixed pallet loading this easy, you can afford to offer customized pallets, including a wider range of SKU numbers. When customers require a specific or non-standard pallet size, the Cascade Layer Picker provides a safe and efficient pallet transfer method. Now, imagine if you could work both sides of the pick line at the same time, further increasing productivity. You can, with the Cascade Layer Picker's ability to swing right, left, and center. You can work from side to side down the line. This cuts the pick line in half, saving travel time. Depending on the size and shape of your warehouse, the Cascade Layer Picker accommodates 1 or 2 side pick lines easily. If you're not working from a pick line, the Cascade Layer Picker gives you the flexibility to lift and place in any direction. The other side of the productivity coin is lower costs. Manual stacking and sliding inevitably result in some product damage, and competitive stacking attachments occasionally crease the product or packaging, making it unsightly. These losses can add up. With the Cascade Layer Picker, product damage is almost zero. The patented sliding arm design creates full pad contact with the product, so there's no creasing or dropping. And the accuracy engineered into the Cascade Layer Picker makes for perfect placement layer after layer. In addition to boosting productivity and offering outstanding flexibility, the Cascade Layer Picker really stacks the safety odds in your favor. By letting the Cascade Layer Picker do the twisting, lifting, and repetitive motion required by stacking, injuries are greatly reduced. That means fewer losses due to time off the job, lower workers' comp claims, and increased longevity of your skilled workforce. Yeah! When you stack it all up, the benefits of the Cascade Layer Picker sound almost too good to be true. But remember, it comes from Cascade, the world leader in lift truck attachments. Designed from the ground up by Cascade's engineering team, the Cascade Layer Picker offers more features and solid design solutions than anything else on the market. Because standard lift truck masts are not designed to handle side-to-side motion, the Cascade Layer Picker comes with its own heavy-duty mast. It includes 12 side thrust rollers in the carriage assembly and 4 side thrust rollers in the outer mast rail. Additional cross-member supports and support structures in the inner mast rail withstand the stress of twisting as the Cascade Layer Picker operates side to side. All the hoses, valves, and connections needed are part of the package, easily installed by your dealer with no modification of the lift truck or components. And everything is backed by Cascade. Parts, service, and outstanding warranty support are there when you need them. On the job, the Cascade Layer Picker is scoring big. It's being called the most exciting advancement in warehousing of the last 20 years. We can't live without it. The Cascade Layer Picker will revolutionize the beverage industry. Increase productivity by more than 5 times. Reduce damage to almost zero. Lower costs related to on-the-job injuries. And improve worker health and morale. The Cascade Layer Picker will pay for itself in more than just dollars and cents. Clearly, the Cascade Layer Picker is the greatest innovation to date in the evolution of stacking technology. The Cascade Layer Picker will ensure that man's desire to stack will be supported well into the future.